Assalamu alaikum and a very good afternoon to all of you. How are you all doing today? That's really wonderful. I am Muhammad Sian Baksiraj. I am a student. I am studying in 10th standard at Junaidi English Medium School, Kochi. I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to Junaidi English Medium School and Noble Education Academy for imparting us the art of public speaking. Today I am going to deliver a translation on Surah Al-Fatiha.
Assalamu alaikum and a very good afternoon to all of you. I am Huzaifa Mujawar. I am a student of Junaidi English Medium School. I am doing Hifz as well. I would like to thank Junaidi English Medium School for Enable to Education Academy for giving me this chance. I am going to recite the Quran opening surah of the Surah Fatiha. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge in Allah from shaitan the evil.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful.
الحمد لله رب العالمين.
All praise is due to Allah, the Lord of the worlds.
الرحمن الرحيم.
The most compassionate, the most merciful.
مالك يوم الدين.
Master of the day of judgment.
إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين.
You alone we worship and you alone we ask for help.
اهدنا الصراط المستقيم.
Guide us to the straight path.
صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم.
The path of those you have blessed.
غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. صدق الله العظيم.
Not of those who have invoked your anger, not of those who have gone astray.